Welcome back, lovely viewers. Here, today we are doing question number 8 of worksheet 3, chapter 4, DAV Maths class 8, and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So here this is our question number 8, and our question number 8 is how long will a train 120 meter long take to clear a platform 130 meter long if its speed is 50 kilometer per hour. Here in this question we have given that the length of train is 120 meter and the platform length is 130 meter and its speed is given 50 kilometer per hour. Here all are given in meters, so we have convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second here. So I write here speed of train speed, which is equal to 50 kilometer per hour, and we know that 50 multiplied by 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 50 multiplied by 1000, and in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So double zero cancel this double zero. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Here 25 multiplied by 5 upon 9. 5 5s are 25, 2 is the carry, 5 to 10, 11, 12 upon 9 meter per second. This is the speed of train in meter per second. Now we have make a table for this question here. In first box I write here distance and which is in meters. And in next box I write here time, which is in second. So here we calculate the speed of train in meter, which is equal to 100 distance, which is equal to 125 divided by 9, and time per second. Per second means in 1 second. In this question we have to find out train cover a platform distance in how much time. So we calculate this by distance. Train cover a platform distance, which is equal to length of train plus length of platform. Here we find this as distance is equal to length of train plus length of platform. Length of train, which is given in the question, which is 120 meter, and length of platform is also given in question, which is equal to 130. 0 plus 0 is equal to here 0, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and let the time be x. So from here we know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Here we have given in this distance and time. So it is a case of direct variation. I write here it is a case of direct variation. It is a case of direct variation. So from here I write 125 upon 9, which is equal to 250 upon x. From x, here we have to find the value of x. I write here by cross multiply 125 multiplied by x is equal to 250 multiplied by 9. X is equal to 250 multiplied by 9 upon 125. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, here 0 is here. So 5 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 0 is here, 5 10s are 50, and 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So we have x is equal to 2 multiplied by 9, and x is equal to 2 9s are 18 seconds. So time taken by the train to cover the platform is 18 seconds. So that's all in today's video.